Like that. Times are hard, man. It cost me $30 to join this contest. It took me about 5 minutes ago to join it because times are hard, man. This was charging me like $20 for a fucking DVD. And I'm like, fuck that. Santiago, better record for it's only $10. Like a dream. Because times are fucking hard. Obama said he was gonna change shit. I'm still waiting. You know? I can't go to Arizona yet because, like as he said, I'm Mexican. Fuck you, I'm over. I better start counting on him before I finish and he starts counting on me. I've been noticing for the last one. Oh, second to last, I've been drinking. I haven't really like written anything, but I'll pretend.
Thank you.
My 401k just went down 2 points, fool. Fuck it, times are hard, you know, you just enjoy yourself. Because, you know, what do you do? Just smoke weed. My friends were asking me for a ride, but my other friends like, are you gonna go pick them up? I'm like, they didn't put that thing on this, man. Idiot. Shit, I had to buy a Jack and Coke before I got in here because it's like $2 and the Coke is like $1. We had to share the Coke because it's 50 cents each. I'm just counting and shit. I keep numbers and stuff. Oh, times are fucking hard, dude. Shit, I wish I could fire, but it's cheaper to keep me than to hire somebody else because there's another Mexican that will do it for you. Like, I'm not Mexican, so I'm twice as expensive. Because times are fucking hard.